You want to learn how to day trade, I'm going to help you with that. If you're seeing this video right now, that means you're someone I know personally, and I'm giving you the video. If you're seeing it down the line, then this is me in January 2025, and I'm not just starting, but I'm kind of towards the beginning of my journey. So yeah, let me teach you how. First thing, I'm gonna link a couple videos in the description before you watch this video, because I don't have time to teach you all the terminology and everything you need to know. Before you watch this video, I want you to go watch those videos. Come back to this video after you watch those videos, all right? Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna teach y'all right here with, first thing. Now that you watch the videos, you should know what the bars are. You should know what the wicks are. You should at least have an idea of what, that obviously a red bar with a red wick means that price is going down, and a green or blue, whatever color you have it set to, means that price is going up, right? So you should have a general idea of what's going on so far. If you want to become profitable, step number 1. Make your list. You make your list of what you want to do. You make your list of what you want to accomplish with this. You make your list of how you're going to get there, and you set timelines on your list. Just set it like a planner. You make a timeline, like, for example, for you guys, not for me, by June 1st, I will receive my first payout, which is when you receive money from trading, right? Because it's going to take some time, unless you're just the greatest trader on the planet, first day, first week, you're getting payout, but it is going to take some time. Step number 2, the most important step. You're not going to get anywhere with this if you don't involve God. That's the biggest thing. You need to involve God. If God is not involved in your trading, I promise you, you're going to be unprofitable. You're going to think you know what you're doing. You're going to think you're going to get to the places you want to be. You're not going to get there. You need to involve God, all right? Step number 3, after you make your list, you involve God. Every single trade. When I say involve God, I mean every single trade, I'm praying to the Lord. I'm asking him to help me. You know what I'm saying? And, you also need to get closer with God. Me personally, right? I trade my best. I make my best trades, and I do everything, not everything right, but I do most things right when I'm fasting. When I'm fasting from, certain things. That doesn't have to be like a full water fast, but when I'm fasting from certain things in life, I'm involving God in my trading. That's when I do the best. All right. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple resources. I know this video is kind of short, but I did that on purpose. That way I could come back for the next video and we could go on the further steps. But so, make sure y'all check the links in the description, because I'm going to give y'all everything you need. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll answer it.